Good morning all of you. I am Razia Pathan from Nanviji Vidyapith Standard 4. So students, today we will start sequence of large number unit number 1. So in that, now look at this. This is a cube. This cube is a 1000 is there. 1000's cube. Okay. So like that 1000 to 10,000. How it is? 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000 and 10,000. Okay. Now this cube, this is a 10,000. Okay. This one is a 10,000. Now 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 1 lakhs. 10,000 to 1 lakhs is this. Okay. 1 lakhs, then 1 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs and 10 lakhs is there. Okay. 10 lakhs is there. Then this cube like 10 lakhs is there, so that 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 13 lakhs, 14 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 16 lakhs, 17 lakhs, 18 lakhs, 19 lakhs and 1 crores are there. 1 crores is there. So this sequence is a 1 crores. This is a 1 crores. Now I repeat once again, you have to look at this, how we count 1000 to 1 crores. So in that, look at this. This one is 1,000, 10,000. This cube is a 10,000. Then 1 lakhs cube. We add 1 lakhs to 1 lakhs like 10 times. That called 10 lakhs cube. One cube is this one is a 10 lakhs cube. Then again we'll merge 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 13 lakhs, 14 lakhs, 15 lakhs, like so on 1 crore. So on 1 crores is there. Got it everyone? How will follow the sequence? In that, now we'll start worksheet number 7. Okay. So worksheet number 7, identify the changing place value. Missing number is equal to increase the change place value of the previous number by 1. Like for example, 1 crore 27 lakhs 12,334. Same 1 crore 37,000 37 lakhs 12,345. So like that we have to add one more 10, that means 1 crore 47 lakhs 12,345. Only the 10 lakhs digit increased by 1, all other digits remain is same. Got it? So what is the first number? First number is a 1 crore 27 lakhs 12,334. Next number is a 1 crore 37 lakhs 12,345. So now look at this. All the numbers are same. Only this number crores lakhs place is changed. Only the 10 lakhs place is changing by the 1. 10 lakhs place है वो by 1 के दौरान change हो रहा है. ठीक है. All the remaining digits stay same. Remain digits से वो कैसे है? Same है. So what will be the next number? Next number will be 1 crore 47 lakhs 12,345. Increase the 10 lakhs. हमें क्या increase करना है? What we increase first? 10 lakhs only. And then in the last number is 1 crore 57 lakhs 12,345. It is given in the question. Question में दिया हुआ है. Okay. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute just to have to read this, and then we'll start missing number. Okay students, now we'll start next portion, filling the missing sequence. Okay, that will do. Standard 4th, subject maths, unit number 1, worksheet number 7. Question number first is filling the missing sequence. Filling the missing sequence. In that, first one is 12,345, 13,345, 14,345 and 17,345. So we have to write here 15,345 and 16,345. Then B1, 1 crore 23 lakhs 45,678. Then 2 crore 23,000 23 lakhs 45,678. 2 blanks are there, and then we have to write 5 crores 23 lakhs 45,678. So we have to write here 3 crores 23,000 23 lakhs 45,678, and then 4 crores 23,000 or 23 lakhs 45,678 is there. Okay, now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work, and then we'll start next. Okay students, now next question, C1 question will start. So in that question we have to write 45 lakhs 67,890 dash 2 times 48 lakhs 67,890 and again dash is there. So we have to write here 46 lakhs 67,890, 47 lakhs 67,890, 49 lakhs 67,890. Now B1 question, 12,395, 22,395, 32,395 dash blank is there 62,395. So here students only we change 42,395 and 52,395. Even 1 crore 23 lakhs 62,671. Then 1 crore 23 lakhs 63,671. then blank is there, 1 2, and then 1 crore 23 lakhs 66,671 is there. So we'll change only thousands place, 1 crore 23 lakhs 64,671, 1 crore 65,671 is there. Then F1 question, in that 45 lakhs 70,239 dash, again dash, 48 lakhs 17,239 is there. So when we change, we'll change like 46 lakhs 70,239, 47 lakhs 70,239. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now we'll start next question. G1 question, 12,562, 12,563, 12,564, then dash, dash and dash. So we have to write here 12,565, 12,566, 12,567. Then H1 question, 1 crore 23 lakhs 45,324, 1 crore 33 lakhs 45,324. Then 2 dash are there. Then we have to write 1 crore 63 lakhs, 1 crore 63 lakhs 45,324 is there. So here we have to write 1 crore 43 lakhs 45,324 is there. 1 crore 53 lakhs 45,324 is there. And in the last I1, 45 lakhs 67,517 dash, 48 lakhs 67,517 again dash. So here we have to write 46,000, 46 lakhs 67,517, 47 lakhs 67,517, 48 is here, so here we have to write 49 lakhs 67,517. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to write this in your workbook, page number 11. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now your homework is you have to write the worksheet number 7 in your workbook, page number 11, and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.